Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a battery case that allow you guys to recharge your battery for GoPro batteries. If you didn't see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here we do have an image to show you guys what the product looks like. So the cool thing about this battery case is the fact that it allows you guys to charge 3 batteries at the same time. But first I should open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, first thing inside, they do provide you guys some piece of paper to show you guys how to maintain the product and how to use it correctly in terms of normal charging or fast charging. And right underneath that, we do have the product. So right here, they do provide a cable for you to plug it in to actually use the product. Right underneath that, we do have 2 batteries that's included. And this is the battery from this brand, not the GoPro battery. So let's do take out one of them, since both of them are the same. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So here's what the battery looks like for the one from this brand. So you can see how it's called a Stamina. The way how the design is very similar in terms of the battery design for the GoPro design. Top part right here, they do have the paper or the part right here for you guys to pull it out real easily when you guys do put it onto your GoPro. Very similar to the one that's for the GoPro 11, which is right here. So this is the original one that they give you guys when you guys do purchase the GoPro Hero 11. So they do give you guys a strap on top and similar design on the bottom, as you can see right there. So if you guys do put it side by side, here's what the battery looks like. And if you guys want to use like the GoPro Hero 11 battery to put it inside the case, you do have the option, or you can put the new one that's from this brand as well. So that is what the battery looks like. Now let's take out the case. So let's do take it out. Here's what the product looks like. So the fan right here, they do have the indicator light for each one of them to show you guys the battery percentage when you guys do put it in. Top part right here, we do have the brand name. And the side right here is where you guys unplug in cable, which is USB-C to actually activate the product. And the way how you guys open it, just pull it up. And that is what the inside looks like. So literally all you're gonna do is just put in your battery inside right here to start charging it. But obviously in order for it to work, you do need to plug in cable. So I should plug in one cable to test it out to show you guys how well it does work. So let's do plug in cable. Once you guys do plug it in and see how the light does turn on for each one of them. And if you guys do put in battery, you should put it in all the way. Same thing for other one. Once you guys put all of them in, and you see how it starts charging. So the GoPro Hero 11 one right here is already fully charged. Because you can see how all 4 of the bars light up. With the other 2 right here is still charging. It's right now 1 out of 4. So it's gonna take some time for it to fully charge. But when you guys are charging, you definitely do have the option to leave it open or you can close it. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And I do want to mention for this batteries that you guys get from this brand, it's very similar in terms of the power that it does provide to the one that you guys get for a GoPro Hero 11. But in terms of the power or the time, it's not as long or it's not as powerful compared to the GoPro Hero 11. But when you guys compare it to many other brands that make it, the battery, it definitely works a lot better. They even did a test on their website or on their listing that you can go check out to see the test, where they actually show you guys probably like 2 minutes or 1 minute less than the battery life when you guys do the GoPro 11. And that's pretty good if you guys do think about it. Especially if you guys record a lot of video or record a lot of footage at 4K speed or 4K quality and also 60 frames per second. That's actually pretty good. And the other cool thing about this case is the fact that not only can you guys put your batteries inside right here to recharge it, but when you guys look at the top bar right here, like right there, there's 2 slots for you guys to put your TF card on there, which is a micro SD card to hold it, which is really convenient, especially when you guys are traveling. So you see how it's kind of hard for you to put it in if you guys don't take out the battery. So when you guys put your TF card inside right there, it might be a little bit hard. That's something to kind of consider when you guys do use it or when you guys do purchase this product. But in terms of charge time for the product, it shouldn't take that long. They mentioned it should take around 2.5 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100% for all 3 of them. As you can see right now, it's already like almost halfway charged. So it definitely charges pretty fast. It just slows down your charge once it reaches to like 70% or 80%, just like any other device. And when you guys do purchase this product, you do have the option to either get the case itself with the battery charger without the battery, or you can purchase the one that I have right here where it does give you guys 2 of the battery. If you guys do get the battery, obviously it'll cost a little bit more than without the case. So that's totally up to you guys at the end of the day. But you see the product definitely does work when we do charge it up. But what I'm doing right now is to use one of them and put it on the GoPro to show you guys when it actually works. So let's take out the middle one. Very easy to take it out, if you can see. And right here, I do my GoPro. So I'll open on the side. Take out the old one, which is the GoPro 11. If you guys do put it in, make sure it goes all the way in, close it up. If you guys do turn it on, you see how it does work, but we don't have an SD card inside, so it has to turn off by itself. So the battery definitely does work when you do use it. And if you guys want to take it out, just open it back up, pull it out. And that is how you guys take it out. So very easy and very simple for you to use it, if you can see. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality battery charger for a GoPro battery that also give you guys similar batteries from this brand that's not from the GoPro Hero brand that can also use to give you guys the same amount of like battery life when you guys use the GoPro, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously with those you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.